It's a new day. It's a new day. Cold ass day. Ugly ass day. Slow moving ass day. Because what y'all saw last night. Not sure if I'm gonna split this vlog up or not. What y'all saw last night was real. And it did not stop until this morning. Look at this. Ooh wee, right? Look at that shit there, man. Ugly. Hey, I'm getting some fuel. Get back out on this road. It is plowed and salted up a little bit. They could do a better job, I ain't gonna lie, but it's alright. It's alright. Not like last night where I couldn't see the lines. I was like, yeah, I didn't get on this road. Let's find some safe parking. Either way, I'm about, in normal driving conditions, I'm about 5.5 hours away. Who knows how long it'll take me to get there this time, because these are not normal driving conditions. And if the roads get any worse, I will be pulling over and not driving for the rest of the day. But we'll see. We're gonna take it in stride. Just wanted to get the day started. Like I said, I don't know if there's gonna be another vlog or if I'm gonna just run these last few days all together. Who knows? Either way, y'all be cool how y'all be cool. I'll holler shortly, man. Peace. Yo, this has been the most eventful, stressful fucking load I had in a long time, man. So I had a hard time getting my tandem sled last night. I had to pull them all the way forward and disconnect from the trailer for them to load me. I had a hard time getting the tandems to slide. And now I finally did. I was able to get them slid long, far enough to get up out of there. But now, as you know, I parked last night due to the blizzard. Got up this morning and came to a scale to scale my load. And I'm overweight on the rear trailer axle. They say like 36,000 pounds. It should be no more than 34,000. The rest of the tandems look good, but that 36 needs to be adjusted. I thought somebody called me. Long story short, I can't get the fucking handle to latch on the trailer far long enough to be able to slide the tandems. Had that issue a little bit yesterday, but not like today. So I'm hoping they can help me out at least enough to be able to slide these tandems and get back on the road. But these power transport trailers are, I gotta say, they are trash. They're old, that's what it is. They got old trailers. Hirschbach got newer trailers with auto inflators and air suspension and the air system, be able to slide the tandems, all that. These old power transport trailers don't have that shit. So anyway, I'm on the list. He said it'll probably be a few hours, so we here. Stay tuned. I'll check back in a little bit. Peace. Alright, fam. It is now 6 o'clock in the goddamn PM. I've been here all day. But got some good news. Is that it warmed up out here. It's down there 40 degrees. And as you see, a lot of this snow is melting away. The gutters over there and shit is like storming with water. So what they did, what he said they did was he welded in a notch so that bad boy stays put. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. Let me see if I can pull this a little bit more. Hopefully that's enough, because I sure gotta hammer that. That's another issue I've been having. So yeah, that went in, but that front one didn't. They grabbed my hammer. Let's see if it holds, because it's been working, you know, here or there. It'll stay. As soon as I hit this motherfucker with the hammer, it ain't stay no more. It'll pop in. So come along with me. I broke the handle to the hammer, but I still got the important part. Shit popped in, but oh shit. Oh shit, here we fucking go. Damn, man. Damn it, man. Shit. Can't get my other glove and fuck with this, man. God damn. Shit ain't holding, man. Stay tuned, man. Alright, as you can see, I am parked. And I am not on the road. I am parked and I'm still at Love's. Unfortunately, they were not able to get my trailer fixed. I don't know if I checked in at all. But last time I was on the scale, I was still not able to slide the tandem, so I headed back across the way to the shop. And the manager told me that the guy that did the welding, the mechanic, left out on a couple of roll calls, and the first one was like 2 hours away. So needless to say, man, y'all can't even see me. I wasn't able to get it done. I'm like 2,000 pounds, a little over 2,000 pounds overweight on my rear axle tires, wheels. So I just decided to go ahead and park, man. I already missed my appointment time to drop the trailer where it's supposed to go, so they had me taking it back to Memphis, our Memphis yard. But that won't be today. They told me to check back in tomorrow morning, and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna check back in tomorrow morning. Hopefully they can do a better job on the weld. I am not a welder, but I do know you gotta prep the surface and clean the surface and do some grinding before you just weld. And that was not done. I could tell by looking at it. So yeah, stay tuned, man. I'll bring y'all with me in the morning. Give me something to eat. Should have bought my cup and give me something to drink too. Alright, I'll holler. Man, it's a new day. New day, same but different bullshit. So I'm here, man. Buddy told me to be back over here. The shop will open at 7 a.m. Of course, I go in there. Only person in there is the night tire dude. He said the shop people ain't here yet, but the weather's bad, so who knows when they'll be in. A and B, I'm looking like, even if I were to get fixed, man, I can't really go nowhere, bro. Cause look how foggy it is. That's the E-way. You cannot see it. On the other side of let me see, what pole should I point at? That pole right there. Right on the other side of that pole. Over, it's like a little hill right there. On the other side of that hill is E-way. You can't see nothing. Nothing. It's a truck turning to get on the E-way over there. You can barely see him. He's starting to disappear. Man, so yeah. I told him, I'm like, cause I got the chains up and shit. I got chains on over here. I got the chains on the other side of the shop. I was like, yo, I'm in the lot, bro. I should be on the list. Give me a call when they get here. I'm here already. You feel me? I ain't trying to be up out of here and they put somebody else in my spot. Not today like they did me yesterday. Waited all goddamn day for them to do a half-ass job. Like I was saying last night, like I ain't no welder, I don't have those skills, but I know some welders and I've had work done before. And I do know you gotta clean up the surface with a grinder. I mean, you gotta expose the metal before you go to tack welding on anything, or the weld ain't gonna hold. And sure enough, he tried to weld over rust and dirt and some more shit, and that shit did not hold. So what the company said was, we're gonna let them do what they do, and if it work, cool, but if not, then they're gonna have to get this transloaded, taken off this trailer and put onto another trailer. But most likely that won't get to be done until Monday. And as of today, it is Saturday, so they can't get it fixed. I'll be here for a couple days to sit in. Mind you, I'm only like 4.5 hours away from Memphis. Might as well be 24 hours away this year. But anyway, stay tuned, man. I'll be back. Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool? It is kind of cold, but it's definitely been colder. It's fall blowing me though. All right, man. Stay tuned. Peace. Alright, man, this nightmare of a load, nightmare of the weather is finally done. I'm about to go ahead and get this load dropped. Did my paperwork already. We are at the Power Transport yard here in Memphis. And I may have to take the paperwork in because I don't see one of the little pouches. Alright, I'll keep that with me and get my gloves so I can drop this trailer. So yeah, man, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being part of this fucking horrendous journey I just had. Crazy blizzard. Bullshit dealing with this trailer in the shop. Hey, we are done for now. Stay tuned. They do want me to drop this and give my driver manager a call. They may have something else for me. I don't know. I think I got like 5.5, 6 hours left on my drive time for today. So we'll see. Whatever it is, whatever we got next will be on the upcoming vlog, man, because this one is done, man. Hit that like button for me, please. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. It's the realest vlog on YouTube. Peace.
Hey, how you doing?
Go back in there. Go back in there.
Yellow. Hey, how you doing? I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Let me show you something. That's a Lucy. Cool. That's the movie. I don't know what it calls. It's called Hello. Okay. And my name is Lacene Ratcliff. Lacene. And my first name is RATCLIFF. That's my name. And this is my cool little train. Mommy, can we do my train today? Do my train before it gets dark, quick. Because I don't know how to put it together. Because we gotta see. Dad, do you want to do the train with us?
Daddy needs to get some sleep. Daddy needs to go to bed, baby.
Oh.
I gotta get some rest.
Oh, he's been driving all day. Daddy, why you drive every single day? You gotta lay down when it's dark. Dad, do you want to say hi?
No, turn it off.
Okay.
Introducing the StopBox Pro gun safe, the ultimate solution for safety. With cutting-edge technology, this safe keeps your firearms secure yet accessible. Built to last with an advanced locking mechanism, trust that your loved ones are protected. Use link in the description for 10% off and buy one StopBox Pro, get one free. Double the safety for your peace of mind. Visit our website today. Link is in the description. Hey, whether you need to defend yourself with your hands, pistol, a sword, a rifle, or a pistol, USCCA. Anything happens, whether it's criminal or civil cases, that will cover your ass in case you need to use self-defense. No lacking. USCCA, link in the description. Don't say I ain't tell you so. USCCA ain't the only ones on the market, so shop around. We personally use USCCA. That link is in the description. They have insurance policy, online training, and certifications right at the comfort of your own home.